But now then, to show you guys the settings, we of course first need to open up the Stochastic RSI. And to do this, we want to head up here to the Indicators tab. And you basically want to search for Stochastic, just like this, and then RSI. And when it comes to TradingView, you will always find tons of different, you can see different Stochastic RSI indicators that are created by other traders. But for this video, we are just gonna use the built-in standard Stochastic RSI. You can feel free to start this one if you want to, but let's now open this one up. And now guys, to change the settings of the Stochastic RSI, we wanna go down right here to the settings tab. And now, just to make it clear for you guys, I first want to go to the style tab and I want to change the K line to be a bit thicker. I want to change the percentage D line to be a bit thicker as well. But the first setting I want to show you guys is the setting we talked about earlier, where we change percentage K to 1. And before we change the percentage K to 1, I want you guys to look at how the line is looking right now. So keep this image in your mind. Now we go to the settings and we change percentage K to 1. And now you can see that the line will be much more responsive. You can see that, for example, during pretty much this whole rally, you can see that the line reached 100, and pretty much during this, pullback, the stochastic line reached pretty much 0 here, and you can see that the line just responds to the price very quickly. And why is this the case? The reason for this, let's open up the normal RSI. So let's just search for RSI, open up the relative strength index, is because when percentage K is equal to 1, the RSI, or should I say the Stochastic RSI, will just display where the RSI is relative to its range, and the range for the normal RSI is 14. To double check that the range is 14, we want to go back here to the settings, and you can see RSI length 14, stochastic 14, make sure that this is true. But now you might wonder, okay, so now percentage K is 1, but what happens when we change percentage K to 3, because this is the standard setting? Well, now the percentage K will be a moving average of the RSI's position relative to the last 14 days. And yes, guys, I know that this might sound complicated, but you can basically think about it as, let's change back to 1. Now the line is much more responsive, but when we change to 3, we get a less responsive line because it's a moving average, but since it's less responsive, it can actually provide more accurate signals. So in my opinion, this right here is a much better setting, 3314. But remember guys, later on in this video, I will show you guys even more settings, so definitely stay tuned for that. To continue watching this video and learn even more about the Stochastic RSI, simply click or tap on the screen right here. It will take you to our free full Stochastic RSI course here on the channel. I hope I'll see you all over there. Ciao!